Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today's question is one that many sisters ask: can girls pray in jeans? Is it allowed in Islam? Let's explore this topic with knowledge, clarity, and the principles of modesty taught by Islam. Before we talk about jeans, we must understand one important principle in Islam, the rule of satar, covering the body during prayer. For women, the conditions are: the entire body must be covered except the face and hands. The clothing should not be see-through. The clothing should not be tight in a way that highlights the shape of the body. The clothing should be clean and modest. These conditions come from various authentic Islamic rulings, and scholars agree on them. So the real question is not about jeans, but whether what you're wearing fulfills these conditions or not. Now let's talk about the main issue. Most jeans, especially modern ones, are tight. If the jeans are tight and highlight the body shape, the prayer is valid, meaning you do not need to repeat it. But it is considered makruh, disliked, and not the best way to stand before Allah. Why? Because when we stand in salah, we are presenting ourselves before the Lord of the worlds. Wearing clothes that tightly define body shape goes against the spirit of modesty. Many scholars say, greater than, prayer is valid, but it is not appropriate clothing for salah. So yes, it counts as prayer, but it is not the best choice. If the jeans are loose, comfortable, and do not show the shape of the body, and if you pair them with a long kurti abaya, long shirt jalbab that fully covers the hips and thighs, then there is no problem at all in praying in such clothes. The prayer is completely valid and proper, insha'Allah. Although jeans may be allowed depending on modesty, Islam highly encourages wearing loose, modest, respectful clothing during prayer. The best options for women in salah are abaya jalbab, loose salwar kameez. Long gowns. Anything modest and non-revealing. When you stand before Allah, you want to look humble, modest, and respectful. Just like we dress properly when meeting someone important, we should dress even better when meeting the Creator. So the final answer is, yes, girls can pray in jeans. But with conditions. If the jeans are tight, the prayer is valid but makruh. If the jeans are loose and modest, the prayer is fully valid. The best practice is to wear loose Islamic clothing, especially during salah. Remember, modesty is not just clothing, it is an attitude of the heart. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this knowledge so more people can understand Islam correctly.